1 minute inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Follow the assignment exactly. Part 1, Obedience. And Moses and Aaron gathered the assembly together before the rock. And he said to them, Hear now, you rebels. Must we bring water for you out of this rock? Then Moses lifted his hand and struck the rock twice with his rod, and water came out abundantly, and the congregation and their animals drank. Then the Lord spoke to Moses and Aaron, Because you did not believe me, to hallow me in the eyes of the children of Israel. Therefore you shall not bring this assembly into the land which I have given them. This was the water of Meribah, because the children of Israel contended with the Lord, and he was hallowed among them. Numbers chapter 20, verse 10 to 13, New King James Version. Precision means to be exact and accurate. This is why some students in school do well on some assignments and others do not. This is because some pay attention to detail while others do not make this a priority when doing an assignment. Well, Christianity is the same way. Precision does matter. Doing exactly what God says does matter. Accuracy does matter. If not, then we cannot please God in anything that we do. Moses is a negative example to us in this biblical story. Precision did not matter to him, and this got him in a world of trouble with God. He was told to speak to the rock to deliver water to the thirsty children of Israel as they wandered in the wilderness during their travels to the promised land of Canaan. Moses' faith was not strong enough to speak to the rock as God commanded, but struck it instead. He did not do exactly as God commanded. As Moses experienced, we miss out on our blessings when we do not give God exact obedience. Moses' actions produced the desired result of water being dispersed to the people, but it brought down the curse of not being able to enter the promised land of Canaan with the children of Israel for him. His lack of faith led to a lack of obedience to the commandment of God that further led to Moses missing his blessing. In conclusion, remember, almost is not good enough. Getting the desired result is not good enough to God. It is the process that God is concerned with as well. This is why we must worship exactly as outlined in the New Testament, live as God would have us to live in the New Testament, love as God would have us to love in the New Testament, and so on. Without precision, which is exact obedience, we cannot please God. Please tune into part 2 of this message regarding why exact obedience is necessary in the coming days if the Lord wills. Thanks for listening. God bless you and yours. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.